Hello and welcome back guys to my channel. Today's passage is about a visit to the farm. So please listen carefully and answer the questions at the end of the passage. A visit to the farm. Last Saturday, Sarah went to her uncle's farm. She saw cows grazing in the green field and chickens pecking at the ground. The goats climbed on the rocks and the ducks swam in the pond. Sarah helped feed the sheep with fresh hay. She also picked ripe strawberries from the garden. The air smelled fresh, and the sun was warm. Sarah's uncle showed her how to milk a cow. She laughed when a curious calf licked her hand. Before leaving, Sarah took home a breakfast of eggs and strawberries. She also had a wonderful day learning about farm animals and plants. Questions. Where did Sarah go last Saturday? Find a word in the passage that means eating grass. Why do you think the calf licked Sarah's hand? What do you like to do if you visited a farm?